Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Rahul, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of ancient Egypt. If you think you know all there is to know about pyramids and pharaohs, think again. Here are some mind-blowing facts about ancient Egypt that you might not have heard before. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Did you know the Egyptians had a unique approach to timekeeping? They divided their day into 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of night, adjusting hours based on the season. Fact number 2. The Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. It's not just a giant pile of stones, it was meticulously engineered. Fact number 3. Ancient Egyptians used over 700 different hieroglyphs in their writing system. Many of these symbols were phonetic, representing sounds rather than just pictures. Fact number 4. The process of mummification took around 70 days to complete. They used a special blend of oils and resins and even removed the organs to preserve the body. And finally, fact number 5. The ancient Egyptians had a pantheon of gods with fascinating roles. Thoth, the god of wisdom and writing, was believed to be the inventor of writing itself. So there you have it, 5 incredible facts about ancient Egypt. If you enjoyed these tidbits, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. And let us know in the comments what fact surprised you the most. Thanks for watching and see you next time on AI Rahul.